Sunny temperature 39 degrees. On the Buffalo waterfront at the Coast Guard station, the temperature was 39 degrees, and the wind was northwest at Lake effect statement for County, Wyoming, New York. Lake effect snow warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 10 p.m. Thursday. What? Heavy lake effect snow expected. The heaviest snow will occur tonight into early Thursday morning over far western Wyoming County. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 12 inches in the most persistent lake snows. Where? Wyoming County. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 10 p.m. Thursday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Heavy snow will fall in relatively narrow bands. If traveling, be prepared for rapidly changing road conditions and visibilities. Submit snow reports through our website or social media. Lake effect statement for counties in New York, Cattaraugus and Chautauqua. Lake effect snow warning remains in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 10 p.m. Thursday.